everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Shimmer Me Box versus Holo Hookup unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while. I wanted to share with you guys the April boxes. So for those of you who don't know, Holo Hookup and Shimmer Me Box are both monthly boxes. One does holographic polishes and the other one does shimmer polishes. Both of these boxes offer exclusive polishes. There are 3 main brands and then 1 guest brand every single month, and they normally create a box centered around a theme. I don't really like to compare these two kind of against each other. I like to unbox these. I want to show you guys the different brands in these boxes, the different finishes in these boxes. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these, you can get a little bit of a better opinion on them and the types of polishes that come in them. Let's go ahead and get started. The 3 permanent brands for the Shimmer Me Box are Tux Polish, Colors by Llorowe, and Native War Paints. And this month, the guest brand was Ever After Polish. And the theme for April was April Showers. This polish is called Singing in the Rain. And I think it's a very unique polish. It's kind of like a blue jean, like a denim blue type of color. And it has a whole bunch of iridescent, like blue shimmer in here. It is so beautiful. It does have a really pretty shift in here. The formula is really nice. I have tried 1 or 2 polishes from Ever After Polish because I picked them up from PolishCon, but I really did enjoy the formula of this. This was fully opaque in 2 to 3 coats depending on your application. The next polish I was really excited about. This is from Native War Paints and it's called Cherry Blossoms, and it is a very beautiful polish. So it is a pink Crelly polish, and I love Crellys, with a whole bunch of different metallic glitters in there. So there's green glitters, kind of like a rose gold glitter, purple glitters, and there's also an iridescent shimmer running throughout the polish. That shimmer is very light though, so it's not going to be as apparent on the nails, or maybe it's subdued because of the metallic glitters in there. I feel like those are a little bit more eye-catching. This has a beautiful formula. This was fully opaque on me again in 2 to 3 coats because I do have longer nails. It did take me 3 coats, but I love the amount of glitters I was able to get on my nails. I didn't have to set this bottle upside down or anything. I was able to get a nice amount of glitters every single time I dipped the brush back into the bottle. So I really did enjoy the formula of this one. The next polish in the box is called Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, and this is from Colors by Llorowe, and this is a really pretty holographic silver polish. It does have a very slight kind of iridescent shift to it. Sometimes I can see a little bit of a pink flash, but for the most part, this is a very standard silver holographic polish. So I wasn't super wowed by this polish because I do have several silver holographic polishes already in my collection. However, the formula was really nice with this one. This was fully opaque on me in just 2 coats despite my nails being very long. So I honestly was really impressed with the formula of this. I do use silver a lot. I use it for accent nails. I use it as a base for nail art. So I feel like this is a polish I am going to get a lot of use out of. And the last polish in the box is from Tux Polish, and it's called Let's Do Spring. And this is a very unique polish, but I don't think it's going to be everybody's cup of tea. So it's this kind of murky bluish green. I think it pulls a little bit more on the green side. I think on camera it's showing up a little bit more like a muted blue. It has this very beautiful kind of like pinkish purple shift to it, or iridescent shimmer to it. And then it has a whole bunch of green micro glitter. I think it's very like mermaid looking, very kind of unicorn looking, which is trending right now. So I thought it was a very fun polish, and I also really liked the formula of this. This was fully opaque in 2 to 3 coats again because I do have longer nails. But I think my favorite thing about this polish is that the shimmer is very apparent on the nails. It was a little difficult to photograph, so hopefully you guys will be able to see it, but I think it is very apparent on the nails. And that glitter kind of gives it a little something extra, because I do have several polishes right now that I own that have this very pretty like shimmer and shift on it. shine, almost kind of like a pearl-like shimmer. But the little glitters or the micro glitters really do set this polish apart from most of those like shimmery, pearly type of polishes in my collection. So let's go ahead and talk about the Holo Hookup. This month's theme was Tulips, and the guest brand this month is Laquester. I'm not sure how you pronounce this brand. I've never honestly heard of this brand. I was really excited that this was the guest brand this month. And then the three main brands that are in the Holo Hookup are Glisten Glow, Different Dimensions, and Cupcake Polishes. These are all brands that I absolutely love. I love the formula of, and I really would recommend any of these brands. So let's go ahead and get started with the guest brand. The polish is called, I'm sorry, I'm going to butcher this name, Tulips Tulipazuli. So this is a absolutely gorgeous like purple polish with a whole bunch of iridescent shimmer in there, and then there's also iridescent flaky. So I don't know if you guys can see all that. It is absolutely stunning. I think this is even more unicorn-like than the one from Tux Polish, and I really like the addition of those flakies in there. I really like flakies. This is a little bit on like the thinner side with respect to formula because it does have that like iridescent shimmer in the polish. I've noticed that polishes that kind of have that really beautiful shift in there do tend to be on the thinner side, and you do have to build this up. So for that reason, it did take me a full 3 coats. Definitely think this is a 3-coater regardless of your nail length to fully build this polish up. But once I did get it on my nails, I thought it was absolutely stunning. I really enjoyed the shift in here. The next polish in the box, this is from Cupcake Polish, and this is called Shut Your Tulips. So this is an absolutely beautiful color. I think it is a very unique color. It's kind of like an orangey yellow holographic polish. Now, I compared this to like several golds or yellows or oranges that I already have in my collection, and quite honestly, the shade is so different from any of the polishes that I already have in my collection. I also compared it to 90 Lacquer's Maze, which has a very similar like undertone to it. And I feel like this pulls a little bit more on like the sunflower orangey side. This honestly was fully opaque on me in just 2 coats. I didn't feel like I had to do a 3rd coat to deepen up the color or anything like that. I'm almost never disappointed with the formulation of Cupcake Polish. I definitely love their formula. So the next polish in the box is from Different Dimensions. This is in the color Tulip Mania, and this is a beautiful strawberry pink or strawberry red polish. Beautiful formula. This was almost fully opaque on me in just 1 coat. I did end up having to do 2, and it really did kind of deepen up that color. And when I first looked at this, I was kind of a little disappointed because I have so many reds and so many pinks in my collection. But this really is kind of that perfect strawberry red. When I compared it to my red polishes, you could definitely see the pink in there. And when I compared it to my pink polishes, you could definitely see a little bit more red in there. So it's somewhere right in between like a pink and a red. And the last polish in the box, this is from Glisten Glow, and this is called Kiss My Tulips, and this is a very pretty like royal purple linear holographic polish. I was a little disappointed in this polish because honestly I have so many dupes for this polish in my collection already. I feel like this color is not only very popular, but it's also been done a lot. It's just a linear hollow. Maybe this would have been a little more unique if it had like, I don't know, some flakies or some micro glitters or something like that in there. For somebody who already has a larger collection and is looking for something a little bit more unique, this isn't really what I was looking for. And I feel like that's kind of the whole point of these boxes. You want something a little bit more on the unique side. You want something that you just can't go out and purchase. I can think of so many brands that I could just run out and purchase this exact same polish from. But despite that, I still think it's a gorgeous formula. This was fully opaque on me in 2 coats. But that's it. That is my unboxing, swatch, and review of the Holo Hookup versus the Shimmer Me Box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and then on Sundays or every other Sunday I like to do a weekly makeup basket. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.